Good morning, students. How are you today? Welcome to another class. Today we are going to learn about the linking words for addition and sequence, right? But first of all, I want you to remember what connectors of contrast do you know? Very good. Nevertheless, however, otherwise, in contrast, right? Okay. When do we use connectors of contrast? Excellent. We use connectors of contrast when we want to show two different ideas, right? Maybe a positive and a negative, right? Okay, today we are going to watch this topic. For that, I want you to see this image, right? Connectors of addition. Do you know what is a connector of addition? And what connectors of addition do you know? Yep, today we're going to review that, right? As you can see here, we use connectors of addition to add information or points on a topic, right? For example, we have these words, in addition to, as well as, apart from, except for, besides, right? These connectors, we can use plus a noun. For example, in addition to obesity, fast food causes serious health problems, right? In here, as you can see, we have a noun phrase. Or we can use besides obesity, is the same example, right? We can use with any of these connectors, right? Okay, besides obesity, fast food causes serious health problems, right? Okay, and we can use in the middle of a sentence too, right? Fast food causes obesity as well as serious health problems, right? This is a noun phrase, serious health problems. As you can see here, we can use as well as at the middle of a sentence, right? We have another group. In addition, moreover, furthermore, what's more, and besides. As you can see here, we have besides in both parts because we can use besides plus noun phrases or plus sentences, right? In this part, I want you to know the commas, right? For example, fast food causes obesity, point. In addition, comma, it may also cause serious health problems. As you can see here, here we have a sentence, subject, verb, and complement, right? And let's see the other example. Fast food causes obesity, point, besides, comma, or you can use a semicolon too, right? You know what is a semicolon? No? It's the point and the comma, right? And it maybe also causes serious health problems. As you can see, we can use with sentences, right? And also we have and, that is common, you usually use and, right? Also and to. These conjunctions within sentences, pay attention. Fast food causes obesity, point. It may also, it is within in a sentence, right? It may also cause serious health problems. Or fast food causes obesity, comma, and it may cause serious health problems too, right? And in this part we can use both, right? Can you see? Comma, and it may cause serious health problems too. It means this part, right? Okay, I hope this part is clear. Maybe in the future we are going to make more exercises about this, but these words are going to be useful when you write your stories and when you want to add more information instead of only a right and, you can know more words in order you can use it. For example, in addition, as well as apart from, we can use in this part. Apart from obesity, fast food causes serious problems. Or we can say, except for obesity, fast food causes serious problems. Or as you can know, besides, right? We have already seen this example, right? Now we are going to go to a sequence. Let me see. Sequence, connectors of time and sequence, right? We are going to use connectors of sequence and time when we want to give an order to a story, right? For example, to begin a story, we can use in the beginning, at first, first of all, right? Plus sentence. In this part, I want you notice that we have to use a comma after the connector of time. For example, at first, comma, she thought he was an idiot, right? And here we can use sentences, okay? And then we can use then, next, later, after that, afterwards, and then we have to use commas, right? Then she started to get to know him better, right? We can use meanwhile and soon in order to give the sequence, right? Soon she began to change her mind. Very good. And to conclude or to give a finished or an end to a sentence or a list of events, right? We can use finally, in the end, eventually, at last, right? For example, eventually she fell passionately in love with him, right? We are going to review this story, right? At first, she thought he was an idiot. Then she started to get to know him better. Soon she began to change her mind. Eventually, she fell passionately in love with him, right? As you can notice, we can have a sequence in our story or in some ideas that you want to give sequence, right? And you have all these words to use in order you not repeat the same words, okay? Okay, my students, I hope it was useful for you. See you the next class. Bye, students.